us call on Miss Kira Ballinger for the question.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
What is your best green flag trait and why?
Ang best green flag trait ko ay being nice and comforting to the girls.
Thank you!
Kung magiging girl housemate ka, sino sa tingin mo ang magiging counterpart mo at bakit?
Thank you for that wonderful question, Miss Charlie. Ako ay magiging si Mika Salamanca. I believe we've been through the same things, pero despite all the challenges, she proved herself. And I can say, I am her.
Wow! What a touching answer by Brent Manalo.
Yeah. 100. Perfect yun, kuya, kasi syempre partner ko siya, duo ko siya. Mas na-appreciate ko na parang at least parehas kami na nararamdaman and na-experience.
Bianca, I believe we have the question for Ralph.
Kung ikaw ay magiging daily supply or refillable, ano ito at bakit?
Alam niyo naman, ako ang #1 saing king. Kanin, syempre, it has to be there with every meal. And I have to be with you every moment.
Aww.
Thank you.
Ang tanong ko sa'yo is, kung walang confession room, kanino ka magko-confess at bakit?
Oh!
Iniwala ko na dapat akong mag-confess sa magulang ko.
My question to you is, kung may ililibre kang babaeng housemate sa labas for dinner, anong klase, sino, at bakit? Magmadali.
Ang ililibre kong housemate dito na babae ay si Charlie. Dahil gusto ko ma-experience niya paano siya alagaan. Dapat siyang alagaan ng isang lalaki.
Kung ikaw ang nabigyan ng immunity at kailangan mo itong isakripisyo, kanino mo ito ibibigay at bakit?
I'll give it to Esnir. Hangang-hangata ako talaga sa kanya and he brings happiness to all of us.
Happy birthday!
Iibahin yung moniker mo, ano ito at bakit? Magmadali.
Ang moniker ko dapat ay Creative Boy Next Door ng Vancouver, Canada. Creative kasi ngayon ko lang iniisip.